today. Happy birthday, Zeb.
Happy birthday, Zeb.
Stand up, stand up. Stand up, please. How old are you?
2 years.
Huh? How old are you? Can you see? 3 years old. Are you happy today? Are you
Yeah.
happy? Yeah. Okay, mommy will cook for you today, okay? You want pancit?
Yes. Yes.
Pancit. You want pancit?
Yeah.
Okay, you want lumpia?
Yeah.
And do you want chocolate cake?
Yeah.
Okay, mommy will cook everything for you today. Are you happy? Yes. Okay, so you play first. Mommy will cook. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Sa cheeks na lang ngayon eh. Can I kiss your lips? Cheeks lang. Can I please kiss your lips? Cheek. Please. Grabe. 3 years old pa lang. Marunong na umayaw sa kiss. Anyway, so magsimula na natin to. Is only 9:25. Pero since marami akong lulutuin, maraming hiwa-hiwain and all that, let's start the day. Good morning! Happy Saturday! Ito na so far ang aking nagagawa. I think nahiwa ko na yung mga dapat hiwain. Wait.
Nana.
Yeah. So ito, iro-roll ko na lang sa wrapper. Ito yung para sa pansit. Pansit. Yung wrapper pala para kailangan i-ano pa. Kasi diba, nasa ano siya. Nasa freezer section. Tapos dito sa bahay nalagay ko siya sa chiller. So medyo matigas-tigas pa. And the chicken, pinalalamig ko para mahimay. And then chicken stock. So yeah. It's 10:30 na. I think 1 hour na ako nag-prepare. Wala pang naluluto talaga. So it's all cutting and preparing. And ang matrabaho dito yung pagro-roll. At ang dami pa niya. So good luck to me. Update. Pansit is done. Next is the lumpia. Hindi ko sila mapagsabay. Mahirap pagsabayin lutuin kasi yung pansit parang dire-diretso yung masunod-sunod yung steps. So, next is pansit, lumpia. And it's already 11:25. 2 hours na, guys. 12:30, guys. 3 hours have passed. And I'm done with my lumpia. Ito na sila lahat. Ito na kaprito na. Nakakain ako ng 2. Sila daddy meron sa loob 4. Tapos meron pa nakasalang. Hindi ko muna ipiprito lahat. I was expecting kasi na nandito yung 2 housemate namin. Pero wala sila. Kaya ano tawag yun? The last time kasi nung nagluto ako, parang kuno lang kami. Kaya sabi ko dadamihan ko this time. Pero wala sila. So, i-freezer ko man to. Pwede naman siya i-freezer, diba? Tapos, pancit is done. The cake is almost done. Can you see? Nag-rise na siya. And it's 12:30. I'm so tired. And I'm looking forward to taking a bath. Kasi can you see the oiliness going on my face? So, yun. Inisip ko pa kung gagawa pa ako ng sausawan or enough na tong parang jofran. But yeah, we'll see. Pinapakain na ni daddy yung 2 kasi nga, hindi kami nakapag-breakfast. Hindi na ako na, feeling ko, sabi ko, siguro dapat nagsimula ako mga alas 5 ng umaga kasi ang tagal nito. But we're almost done. We're almost done. We're gonna do this. Hindi po namin nakakantahan si Zebby. Kumakain na siya. The cake is done, which doesn't really look like a cake kasi hindi siya bilog. But yan lang ang meron ako na, ang tawag dito, yung non-stick. So, yeah. Yan na lang ginamit ko. Kakatin ko na lang siya in square. Baka siyang brownies. Pero, yeah. Ito, ano na siya. Pag nag-poke ka doon, malinis na yung stick o yung toothpick. Actually, barbecue stick yung ginamit ko pang poke. So 12:40 officially ended my cooking session. So from 9:30 to 12:40. My gosh, 3 hours. And now it's time to do my hugasin. I have so many hugasin bago ako makapagpahinga. And pwede na rin magluto sa mukha ko, sa mantika ko. So yan, maglilinis muna ako dito. Happy birthday to you. Wait. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Kuya Zeb. Blow. 1, 2, 3. Go closer. Go closer. Go closer. Closer, closer. Whoa, some more. Like the big bad wolf. Hey, cover your mouth. Okay, one. Closer, closer. One more. Very good. One more. One more. Oh, one more. Ooh. Whoa, one more. Last one. Some more. Ooh. Last one. One. Yeah. One big blow. One big blow like the big bad wolf. Very good. Yay! Are you happy? Yes. Okay. Hi guys, finally I feel so fresh. Ito naman. Okay, you want dede? Ha? Kiss mommy. Kiss mommy. You want dede? Kiss mommy. Hug. Oh. Ayun. It's ano na? 1:30? Uy! What happened to you? Okay. Si Zeb nag-aaya ng grocery. I don't know why. Iniisipan niya mag-grocery. But anyway, kung ayaw niya mag-nap time, it's fine. It's his birthday. Pero ito, kailangan ng nap time. So, yeah. Lalay down. Grabe. From 9. Grabe naman. Hindi na ako higa. Somebody's up. You had a good nap, kuya? How about Zach? You had a good nap, Zach? Oh, so cute. Oh. Okay. Maybe your the hair. Okay. Don't disturb pa. Don't disturb. Okay. Alasing ko na, wala pa si Daddy. Lumabas siya kasi bumili na regalo. Pagkatulog nito, bumili na regalo. Tapos, inutusan ko din pumunta sa grocery para bumili ng whipping cream kasi gagawan ko ng chocolate ganache yung cake. Ang tagal ni Daddy. Magdadalawang oras yata siya. Yeah. Anyways, pero pauwi na yun. Oh, sorry. You still want to sleep? You still want to sleep? No, okay. Gusto ko kasi ginigising ni Zeb para pwede siya mag-ingay. Pag tulog kasi si Zach, lagi kami pag gising, pwede siya mag-ingay. Hi! Oo. Kumukulog-kulog, nakakainis. Hindi mo na kayo makakalabas. Sana bumili si Daddy ng sorbetes. Kasi sabi ko kanina, magpa-sorbetes naman siya. Yeah? Okay, let's wait for Daddy. Nahanap din ang kanyang Thomas break. Why? Close your eyes, Zeb. 1, 2, 3. Open. Ooh. What is this? Shy. Sit down there. Open it. Sit down there on the chair, Zeb. What do you say to Daddy? Dami. What do you say to Daddy? What do you say? What's that? What is that? Thomas bread? What do you say? Zeb, what do you say? Daddy. Kiss Daddy. Kiss Daddy. How about Mommy? A hug pa. How about Mommy? Sinasabi niya din. Hey, how about Mommy? Kiss Mommy. Hug. You want to open it?
Yeah.
Okay, hug first. Hug Mommy. Happy birthday, Zeb. You don't need to say happy birthday. Happy birthday. You like your gift?
Yeah.
Okay, let's open it. Nagawa ko na yung chocolate ganache from whipping cream and semi-sweet chocolate. So, yung ilalagay ko na dito. Kinat ko yung ano kanina nabawasan na sikat to kanina. Tapos binaliktad ko. May nagwawala dun. So, hindi magiging perfect yung top, but pwede na yan. Not the most appealing cake, but pwede na, masarap naman eh. Yan. Yung recipe ng ano, nabasa ko sa, nung ganache, chocolate ganache, nabasa ko sa Pinterest. Tapos, sabi, ano daw, masarap din daw to put 1 spoonful sa coffee. So, that's what I'm doing. Kaya ako nagtira talaga nito ng konti. Actually, sobra naman talaga. Para maglagay ako sa coffee. And it's gonna be mocha, parang mocha flavor. But then, yung coffee ko, may flavor na talaga siya hazelnut. So, this is gonna be hazelnut mocha coffee. Coffee. Masarap din sana ito, ice blended, ano, kaso tinatamad naman ako mag-blender pa. So, yun na lang. And, iinitin ko yung pansit, tapos mapiprito pa ako ng lumpia. It's gonna be early dinner. 5:30 pa lang. This looks good. Nag-ano siya, kulay chocolate. Minute. Ba't kaya? Yum. Sarap. Okay. Luto na tayo ulit. Pahinga muna ang beauty ng lola nyo. Dahil, ano, pinapaliguan pa ni daddy yung dalawa. So, yes. Mamaya, hindi nabenta ni Zeb ang pansit today. Kaya nagsaing pa ako. Hindi pa siya kumakain. So, papakainan ko ng lumpia at kanin after. So, at least ako medyo busog pa. Pero si daddy nagmerienda eh. Tapos yung chocolate cake ko, ay nakita niya na pala na. Pero hindi ko pa natitikman. Tignan natin later. Hi! Ang sarap ng higa mo dyan ah! Nagluluto si daddy ng cheese sticks. Proud na siya doon. Kasi may natirang ano, may natirang lumpia wrapper. Tapos sabi niya, gusto niya daw ng cheese sticks. Kaya kanina nung lumabas siya para bumili ng regalo ni Zeb, tsaka ng whipping cream, bumili rin siya ng keso. So, nagluluto siya ngayon. Kaso 9 na lang natirang wrapper. Ibig sabihin, 41 pieces of lumpia ang nagawa ko kanina. Hindi ko akalain. Kasi 50 pieces yung sheets eh. 50 sheets yung lumpia wrapper eh. Tapos 9 lang nagawa nun. Ito naman? Ito naman? Grabe naman. Hala. Solve na ang aking dinner. In fairness, sarap. Pronto ka sa akin niluto today. Lahat masarap. Sa panlasa ko, ha. And then the cake, mas nag-triple yung sarap niya now with the chocolate ganache. Yes. Kanina kasi parang, boring. Parang ano lang, parang mamon lang na binili mo sa Goldilocks. Pero with the chocolate ganache, mas masarap. So, yun. Ako yung magliligpit ng aking pinagkainan. Si daddy hindi pa kumakain. So, maghugas man ako. And then, it's his turn. It's already 8:30. Grabe. Maya matutulog lang kami. Tapos na yung birthday ni Zeb. Ay. Look at daddy. Back. Cheese. Cheese. Back.
Wait, seven. There was 7.
Okay, guys. I think I'm gonna call it a night. I'm having food coma. I'm so full. Ang daming, yung yung pinaglagaan ko din kasi ulit ng manok for the pancit. Ginawa ko ulit egg drop soup. So, parang ang daming kinain. Pancit, lumpia, egg drop soup, cake, tapos ang cheese sticks pa. So, full. Hindi na ako nagkanin eh. Nagsaing kasi ako kasi nga, di ba si Zeb ayaw kumain kanina ng pancit. Kaya sabi ng daddy magsaing. Zeb, close the door, please. Anyway, so yun. I'm just gonna end the vlog. Hindi ko na kaya huminga sa sobrang busog. Zeb, close the door. Say bye first. Bye. Happy birthday! Pag sinabihan mo siyang happy birthday, sabihin niya rin happy birthday. What? Come here, Zach. Say bye. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Oh, flying kiss? Mwah! Bye!
Bye.
So, yun, guys. Let's call it a night. And, yeah. See you tomorrow. Last day ng bakasyon en grande ni Daddy. I'm so sad. I'm gonna miss him. Tagal na yung magkasama. Anyway, so yun. Good night. Say good night first. Good night.
Night.
See you tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
Okay, good night, guys. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Ito nga ba? Yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Dito pala. I have sugar. Okay, good night. Bye. Thanks for watching.